Welcome to this video on how to use the BIZUIT process catalog. Let's see how to publish a process from BIZUIT Designer to the BIZUIT server, which can be either on premises or in the cloud. Simply click on Publish. A window will appear, allowing us to choose or create a category. We can also provide a description for the process. For example, this is a demo support process. Next, we define a log scheme. In this case, we'll log all events, both successful and failed executions. We'll keep a full execution history and enable tracking, meaning we'll capture everything that enters and exits each activity. Then, we indicate that all the forms associated with this process should also be published. Click Accept. And the publishing process begins automatically. Once completed, we go to the process catalog. And we'll see that the support process, version 1.00, was published today. We can download this version or preview it. Let's download it. Open it. And remove an activity we're no longer using. Then we publish again. This time incrementing the version number, so we now have two distinct versions of the same process. Back in the catalog, we'll see both versions listed: the original and the updated one we just created. This version history allows us to track changes, audit modifications, and ensure traceability over time. Maintaining a detailed change log helps enhance collaboration and improve quality control across your processes.